Hello everyone and welcome back to our AI lecture series. Today we are going to discuss about heuristic function and how they play a very crucial role in guiding intelligent decisions within various artificial intelligence algorithms. Heuristics are used in situations in which there is a requirement for a short-term solution on facing complex situations with limited resources and time. Heuristic can help companies to make quick decisions by shortcuts and approximated calculations. Most of the heuristic functions or the methods involve mental shortcuts to make decisions on past experiences. The heuristic method might not always provide us with the finite solution, but it is assured that it helps us to guide a good solution in the reasonable time. So let's begin with the basic of it. What exactly are heuristic function and why are they so important in AI? Heuristic functions are intelligent shortcuts and that help algorithms make more informed choices by providing estimates of how good a particular certain option is. These estimates are based on domain specific knowledge and are used to navigate through complex problem spaces are um, you can say more efficiently we can use them. So in this example here you can see that in our day-to-day life we are using various methods to take a decision. We are thinking this way that way, and we are thinking about the problems and the difficult questions which arise before making any decisions, and we want to have such a decisions which is giving good results in less time. So in this way, heuristic is helping us in solving problems in our day-to-day lives. So this heuristic function is very important in informed search methods because it is taking decision with the previous knowledge and available information. So let us go to the next slide. So here are components of heuristic functions, and they are domain specific knowledge and estimation method. So here a heuristic function consists of two main components. Domain specific knowledge, it is a knowledge, it is related to a particular domain, and there is a estimation method wherein domain specific knowledge is information about the problem that guides the algorithm's decision making, and estimation method calculates the heuristic value which is assigned to a state, which provides an estimate of its potential to lead to a solution. So here you will see a navigating maze here, and you might have aware about this and you might have played such kind of games. So in artificial intelligence we are representing such maze in a graphical part, or sometimes there are some states are there like this and we have to solve it. So just imagine there is a maze and it is starting from the point S, and we have to reach to the point G, wherein we can call it as S as a source node and G as a goal node. So we want to find a shortest path where we can reach from S to J with minimum cost and minimum uh, time. So in heuristic function methods, here are the states. Yes, you are aware about S, A, B, D, C, G, and these nodes or states have their heuristic value, which is represented by h of n. So for example, S is having its heuristic value 5. Now S is reaching to A and it's required a cost of A. But if we say that heuristic value for S to G with this node, if you want to reach from this node to goal node, heuristic value will be 5. From A to G, heuristic value will be 5. From B to G, heuristic value will be 4. So we have to calculate such heuristic value for each and every particular node. So in this maze, we will use a heuristic function that estimates the Manhattan distance from each cell to the goal, and this distance is the sum of the absolute differences in the horizontal and vertical coordinator in such a kind of a points. So here if you want to apply heuristic function, then we can apply this function on each and every cell, and each and every cell is assigned a heuristic value just I discussed here, and based on this estimated distance to the goal, this h of n will define the estimated value or a distance from that particular node to the goal, and that are we have to select the closest possible value uh, of the goal to the node. So it is indicating their potential and lead us in the right direction. So here heuristic function here, this is a cost, various cost, where we are going to find out the exact cost required. So it is given by g of n plus h of n. So we can say that f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. So f of n is the estimated cost of the cheapest solution, where you will get this cost for each and every node, and g of n is the cost to reach node n from start state. Suppose in the previous examples we have various nodes. So if that particular node is required, how much time or cost is required from a source node. So the distance of that particular node from the source node is the value of g of n, and h of n will be the value or the cost which is required to reach to the goal node from that particular node. So this is the cost of that particular node from source node, and this is the cost of that particular node to the goal node. So their addition will give you a total cost required for that particular node to reach to the goal node. So in this way we can say that heuristic function, here we can get a estimated cost of every node, which is given by a particular cost, a cost required to reach to that particular node, plus the cost which is required to reach to the goal from that particular. So it will improve the chances of finding solutions more quickly. We can say that heuristic function find applications because of this only in various real world scenarios, from game playing to robotics and route planning. So there are some limitations of heuristic functions. So it is important to acknowledge the limitations of heuristic function because of their you can say approximation, uh, not guaranteed, because in complex problems, if n number of nodes are there, so n number of solutions will be there. So the importance is that it is giving you approximate value of each and every node, and their effectiveness is depends on the quality of domain specific knowledge, and they may not always lead to optimal solutions. Um, and balancing accuracy and efficiency is a continuous challenge for this uh, process of using heuristic function in artificial intelligence. So, in conclusion, we can say that mm, heuristic functions are essential tools that empower AI algorithms to make intelligent choices in complex problem spaces. They are guiding lights, like guiding lights that help us to navigate the unknown. And in this way, we can, in our further lectures, will see how to use heuristic function in various methods of informed search kind of a things. So thank you for joining me in this lecture on heuristic function, and stay curious, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much.